Hello there, I'm Anthony Alampi. I'm the owner of X Factor Consultants, a digital design and web consulting company based in Austin, Texas. We design user-friendly websites and mobile apps for the Android platform. When developing Android apps, accessibility is a very important and often overlooked consideration to make. This course is meant to help you learn more about how to make Android apps more accessible to users with vision disabilities like vision impairment and color blindness. We'll talk about the tools impaired users rely on to interact with Android apps, such as screen readers, and what unique design challenges they may present. We'll analyze common design and navigation patterns to learn more about how to make your apps as easily navigable as possible. Finally, we'll discuss color blindness and how color and contrast choices can make or break your app's design. Once you've completed this course, you should feel comfortable improving the accessibility of your own Android apps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about Android accessibility with the Creating Accessibility-Friendly Android Applications course at Pluralsight.